At approximately 7:43 p.m. on July 27, 2024, on I-49 southbound near milepost 83 in Rogers, Arkansas State Police Corporal Alexandria Duncan observed a vehicle traveling at a significant speed. The driver, Angel Zapet-Alvarado, 26, passed Corporal Duncan's marked patrol car at 114 miles per hour, 183 kilometers per hour, in heavy traffic. He stopped the car on the right side. Corporal Duncan asked him to get out of the car, saw his hand on the gear stick and immediately took the key out to prevent him from running away. Zapet-Alvarado ignored the command and resisted when she tried to pull him out.
Get out of the car! Get out! Get out! Get out of the car! Wait. Get out of the car! Roll over right now.
Why?
Roll over. You're going to jail. Roll over. I'm going to pull the trigger.
Why?
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over on your stomach. Now. Roll over.
I feel like why?
Roll over.
Wait.
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on the stomach.
Okay, I'm done.
Roll over.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Roll over.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Roll over.
I'm
Roll over.
okay.
Corporal Duncan deployed a taser when Zapet-Alvarado refused to comply. Zapet-Alvarado wrestled the taser from her and threw it onto the highway.
You're going to jail.
Why? I'm doing nothing. I'm going to my house.
Roll over. Roll over.
I'm going to my house.
Roll over.
I'm going to my house. I'm going to my house. Everything. No. Why? need the photo? Why? 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 Into my home. Into my home.
Give me that taser now.
No. Because into my home.
Zapet-Alvarado kicked Corporal Duncan in the head several times. Kylie Sutton, 31 years old, a witness, witnessed and tried to assist Corporal Duncan.
Stop, move, ma'am, move. Okay. Move. Then shoot you. Stop. Shot fire. Get on your back. Get on your back. Roll over. Give me your hands.
Well, this might be the first bar out. Yeah, that's the first bar really is.
Corporal Duncan used his service weapon, firing a shot that struck and wounded Zapet-Alvarado in the right temple. The incident is a clear example of the high risk involved in seemingly simple traffic stops. A drunk driving and drug driving incident, along with a violent confrontation, turned a routine traffic check into a life or death situation for a female state trooper. If you like, subscribe to the channel.